Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. It is Sunday morning. I put in a Walmart grocery pickup order last evening to be picked up today. So I'm going to share that with you. That was around $150. There were a few things that they did not have available, so I did have to go to Hy-Vee to get those. My hair is crazy. And then I also put in an order from Imperfect Foods this week just for a few things. One thing to note is that I am starting my vegan challenge tomorrow, Monday, and I'll be doing that for 2 weeks, so I will be eating only plant-based. My family is not participating in it with me, so I will be trying to make both, you know, meals for them and me at the same time that kind of fit both tastes. One thing I wanted to mention is that Imperfect Foods does have a lot of plant-based items. If you are looking for that or if they're hard to find in your area, I just posted a vegan recipe video last night, which I'll link down below, and a lot of people asked where I got the Impossible ground meat, and that's where I got it. I live in a town where it's, you know, semi-hard to find these specialty items, so that's why I like delivery services like Thrive and Imperfect Foods. So I have discount codes for both Thrive and Imperfect. I'll leave those links down in the description box if you want to order any specialty items from there. So first I'm going to share with you just a few things that I ordered from Imperfect Foods, and then I'll share with you the Walmart haul, and then I will share with you the meal plan for this week. So this isn't everything that I ordered from Imperfect. I did get some produce also that's already in the refrigerator, but I just thought I would share some of this plant-based stuff with you in case that you are looking for stuff like this and you want that as an option. I did get some of this tempeh. It's the Light Life brand. There's actually a recipe that I want to try for soy tempeh wraps. I think it's like soy barbecue or something like that in one of my vegan cookbooks. I also got some of the Miyoko's European style cultured vegan butter. This is actually good. I've tried it before. I also grabbed some of the No Evil plant-based chorizo, some of the field roast field burgers. There are 4 patties in here, and they're basically just obviously like plant-based burgers. I got some of the chow slices. These are good. I've had them before. They are cheaper ordering them on the Imperfect website rather than in my regular grocery store. I also picked up another package of this Impossible ground beef. I think I might make a chili with this. I'm not sure yet. This I have not seen in my grocery store. And maybe I'm just not looking in the right spot, but I've never seen this in my regular grocery store before, so it's nice that I can get it from there. I also got some of the Light Life plant-based hot dogs, some rice noodles. There is a curry recipe that I want to try with these. And then I also got some of the No Evil shredded chicken. Well, it's not chicken, obviously, but I'll kind of show you what it looks like. You can put this in like quesadillas or soups or stews or something like that. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And then I also picked up some raw pecan pieces. I thought these would be good to have in a granola. I got some pitted dates. Some recipes call for these, and I never have them on hand, so I went ahead and grabbed a bag of those. I want to try to make my own almond milk. I guess it tastes a lot better than store-bought almond milk, so I got some raw unsalted almonds. And then this I actually ordered from Target. I didn't get it from Imperfect, but it is a vegan egg replacer. So I believe you just mix this with water and then let it sit to replace an egg in recipes. And then from Imperfect also I got some ground nutmeg because I was running low on that. I did also get some tofu from them, which I have pressing in this contraption here. I just have the tofu in the bottom of a sieve with the package on top of it and this plate, and then a jar of marinara sauce to weight it down. There's a recipe I want to try with that, so I'm trying to get most of the liquid out of it. All right, so here's the produce that I got today, and this is in addition to a few things that I ordered from Imperfect. I got some radishes. The recipe that I had for the barbecue tempeh wraps called for those. I got 1 avocado. I got these tomatoes in case we needed them for like burgers or sandwiches or something. These look like the most terrible tomatoes I have ever seen. Like, I would not pick these. I almost wonder if I should get a refund for them, but maybe if I put them in a bowl with some apples, they'll ripen. These look a little bit better. I think I ordered I think I ordered Roma tomatoes and they substituted me for this. I can't exactly remember. I also got some bell peppers for salads and recipes and an English cucumber. There's actually a good sort of snack or meal idea where you toast bread, spread it with some plant-based cream cheese, put sliced cucumber on top, and then everything but the bagel seasoning. So I want to try that. I got some cilantro for a recipe. I want to maybe make some vegan banana bread this week, and so I grabbed some bananas for that. 2 pounds of strawberries, they look pretty good, and some grapes. These will get washed up today and we can eat them throughout the week. I also got some spring mix. I really wanted arugula, but yet again, my Walmart does not carry arugula, so I grabbed this instead. I needed some celery because I want to try the chickpea like faux tuna salad, and if I buy like large heads of celery, it hardly ever gets eaten, and usually what I end up doing is freezing it for making stock later. But if you've never tried these out at Walmart, they're really convenient. They come in this little 4-pack and they're already pre-washed. So if you just want them for a snack or a recipe or something, this is a good option if your store has those. And then I had to get this at Hy-Vee. There's a Thai curry noodle recipe that I want to make that called for bok choy. I can link that recipe down below, but I grabbed that from there. I grabbed half a gallon of 2% milk for either cooking or cereal or whatever. And then I also got half a gallon of almond milk for some recipes that I want to make. 2 dozen eggs. I got some Chobani flips. The kids have already eaten 2 of them. I got some key lime crumble, banana cream pie, and I think the other 2 I had were salted caramel and the chocolate hazelnut, but they're eating those right now. I also got some Light and Fit Cookie Crunch yogurt. Kira's on antibiotics right now, so she's eating yogurt every day. I also got some meat from the deli counter. So they actually had the option to get the larger sliced pepperoni, so I was happy to see that. I got half a pound of that and then half a pound of sliced salami. I also got some of the fully cooked bacon. This has been nice to have on hand just for like quick breakfast or breakfast sandwiches. And then for Adam, I got him some garden vegetable cream cheese spread. And then I asked him what kind of bagels he wanted, and he said the cheese ones. So these are just the Walmart brand double cheese bagels with Asiago and cheddar cheese. I do have some vegan cream cheese in the fridge, and I have some wheat bagels that are vegan in the freezer if I want to have bagels this week. So obviously I won't be able to eat these because they have cheese in them. I got some coconut milk for a curry recipe that I wanted to make. I couldn't remember if I had this in the pantry or not, but I figured 1 extra can of that on hand wouldn't be too bad. I grabbed 1 can of vegetarian refried beans for a side one night, and then some roasted red bell pepper for a Mediterranean sandwich recipe. Connor asked for fruit roll-ups, so I got him a box of those. These are just the regular kind. And then I also got a box of Ritz crackers. I like to get the whole wheat kind. I think that they are, have a bit more whole grain and fiber in them, and they taste better. Got some ketchup. We're almost out of that. I got this pho. It is plant-based vegan, so it's just rice noodles with dried vegetables and a kelp-based broth. So hopefully that'll be good. I got some raw cashews for recipes. Oh, and these are the flowers that Adam got me for our anniversary. Very pretty. I got some crispy jalapenos. These are for Adam. He likes to sprinkle those on his bagel. I picked these up. We already tried a couple. They're okay. They're vanilla bean coconut cookies. They're very coconutty. So if you don't like coconut, you wouldn't like these because they have that coconut texture, but they're okay. And then I got 2 cans of SpaghettiOs with meatballs for the kids to eat. I was running low on some of my spices, so I got 1 jar of dried cilantro and 1 jar of ground coriander for some recipes. I grabbed some Fritos for if we make chili, and then I also got some roll glow pretzels. Adam and Connor both like these for snacks. And then I saw these on the website. I don't know that I've ever, paid attention and seen them in store, but it's the Simply Delicious Nestle Toll House semi-sweet chocolate chips, and these are dairy-free. I got some Tostitos scoops, the party size, just to have for chips and salsa. And then I got some Biscoff creams. I've never bought these before. I've seen them in the store, but I've never purchased them. So I thought we would try those. And then I also got some Oreos as well. I got a few different frozen dinners that are plant-based. This is the Sweet Earth General, do you say General Tao's tofu? I don't know how to say it. That's what I always say, General Tao's, but I don't know if that's correct. This has broccoli, brown rice, and tofu in it. And then I've tried both of these Amy's meals before. They're really good. So I got the black bean tamale verde and the pad thai. This one I believe has tofu in it. This one doesn't. And then I got one of the bean and rice burritos. This is the non-dairy. It doesn't have cheese in it. I like these and Kira likes them too, so whoever can eat it. I also grabbed some frozen peas. I ordered a 2-pound bag, but they didn't have it, so they substituted 3 of the smaller bags. I got some mango sorbetto, so that is dairy-free. That sounds delicious. I also got some Sunny D for the kids, and then for myself, I got some of the watermelon bubbly. I do not know if I've tried the watermelon flavor before, but I've tried most of the other flavors and they're good. I got some nacho cheese sauce for Adam. They had these on sale at Hy-Vee for $1 a box, the cracked pepper water crackers, so I just went ahead and grabbed those. They don't expire till February. I got some 12-grain sandwich bread. This came from Walmart, and then Walmart didn't have any sourdough, so I went ahead and got that from Hy-Vee. I'll probably freeze some of this because we won't eat it all before it goes bad. And then for drinks, I got diet root beer, the sparkling water orange mimosa. That flavor is really good if you haven't tried it. I got some of the mandarin orange. This is a clear American, sort of like the sweeter 0-calorie sparkling water, and then some cherry Coke Zero. So that is everything I got. I'm gonna put this stuff away and then I'll share with you the meal plan. Okay, so I will share with you guys the meal plan that I have for this week. So I'm actually using my plum paper planner to do my meal planning in now. I need to see if I can get another Carrie L meal planner, but I'll link Plum Paper's site down below. They basically make customizable planners, and I went ahead and added a meal section, and so far it seems to be okay. We'll see how I like it after I use it a couple of weeks. But what we did last night for dinner is we had smash burgers on the flat top. Adam made those. We also had some grilled chicken, so you could either have cheeseburger or grilled chicken sandwich. And then I made some roasted potatoes in the oven, and I was gonna make Brussels sprouts, but I actually had leftover cauliflower, so I roasted that up. That was good. And then tonight I'm gonna make shrimp Alfredo. I am going to find the Copycat Olive Garden Alfredo sauce recipe online and make that with some pasta and some shrimp. And then I have some Hawaiian rolls left over from last week, so I think I'm just gonna heat those in the oven with some butter and some garlic, and then I might make the Brussels sprouts tonight. There's a recipe I actually want to try in one of my cookbooks. I think it's like a chili, sweet chili glazed Brussels sprouts or something like that. I don't know. You guys will see it in an upcoming video if that's what I make. Tomorrow we're gonna do tacos, I think. This is something that I can obviously easily, you know, make both plant-based and non-plant-based. I'll make some ground beef filling for Adam and the kids, and then I have some lentil taco filling that I want to try. And then I got those vegan or vegetarian refried beans, so I'll have that on the side. Tuesday I'm gonna make grilled cheese and tomato soup. So I'm planning on making a homemade tomato soup recipe, and then I'll make grilled cheese, but I'll just use the chow cheese and vegan butter on mine. On Wednesday, I want to do breakfast for dinner. There's actually a vegan biscuit recipe that I want to try that looks good. And then I told Adam I would make him some sausage gravy. I'm not sure what I'll have on that night besides biscuits. So we'll have to see. You guys have to keep watching videos until I share my week in vegan meals. And then Thursday, I thought I would do sausage and peppers with rice. I can kind of customize this where I make like rice and sausage and peppers and like different toppings, and everyone can kind of make their own bowl. So we'll see how that works. So not like a super specific meal plan for this week, but I have lots of options, and at least I have some sort of a plan. So that is what we're planning for this week. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Are you done? No, I'm not. I'm just getting started. Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my camera that will not focus.
Hi guys.